Hi students. Hi
Good
Anjan.
evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening
evening, sir.
Anjan. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. So students, so you need to understand this time again it was a good question. But the thing is Anjan, understanding the question is very important. I think only 3 people were able to understand the question correctly. That was the issue. It's nothing related to the knowledge here. It was the question issue only. So just wanted to check whether Mr. Najad is there in our class. I think he will come later. Okay, Mr. Anjan, now here, if you observe, okay,
Yes, sir.
evaluate the role of the government and how it can play the role of the stakeholder. Evaluate the role of the government and how it can play the role of what? The
Stakeholder.
stakeholder. Now, one thing I need to say, Mr. Anjan, Mr. Anjan, do you find it evaluate the role of a government, comma and end or just and?
No, there are two questions actually.
No, I'm asking here the and has a comma or and or
No,
just an end. So Anjan, just be very careful. Now, role of the government and how it may say means both are same. You get what I'm saying? Role of the government, comma. There was a comma here, and then how it can play the role of the stakeholder means then only it's 2 questions. You get what I'm saying, Anjan? Yes or no?
okay.
So students be very careful that comma can play a major role in your examination. So I think other students need to understand that. So anyway, even if you had written a double part, that's no issue here. And then secondly, the board is planning to pay dividend. So Anjan, you need to understand the dividend part is a completely different question area. Agree or not
Yeah,
agree? Yes
yeah,
or no?
agreed,
Pay
sir.
dividend from the disposal of existing items from the hot backup storage. Please be kind enough to evaluate. That is 60%. And here it's just 40%. Okay, so what I will generally do is role of the government, role of the government as a stakeholder. Role of a government as a what?
Stakeholder.
Stakeholder. So Anjan, be very careful. Okay, very, very careful. Fine with that, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That comma is very, very important. So thank you, students. Now, the next thing is the next heading I need to say is dividend payment from disposal of what? Hot backup or hot back storage. Yes or no, Anjan?
Yeah,
Yes or no?
yeah,
So
yes.
that are the 2 major factors, but the part B has more weightage. So some students' main mistake I saw, they have spent more time in part A. Now that happened to you, Mr. Anjan. Agree or not
Yes,
agree?
yes,
Because
agreed.
you have written it for 70% in part A, and for the other one, you have written it for 40%. So be very careful there, students. Now, Sanjay Gupta has sent you the following mail. I have attached the newspaper article. Please refer reference number 1. At the moment, we have already done paperwork and finalized the proposal of moving our data to the cloud in a French cloud. However, there are some resistance from the present government of what? Adlan. So one thing, Anjan, Adlan is a developed country or developing country?
Developed country.
Developed country. So be very careful. The government will be very strict. So the first thing they are specifically stating here is the government has the government has a government of Adlan has passed a parliament bill stating they are passing the act of not selling data of local citizens to what? Local citizens to what? Foreign nations, local citizens to foreign nations. So one thing I can generally say, like you all have evaluated stating the government is a keep informed category by using Mendelov matrix, that's fine. But in this case, one of the role of the government as a stakeholder here is protect the citizens private data. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yeah,
citizens' private data. Now, I generally think that was a decision taken by India also. What do you think, Anjan?
Yeah.
Blocking TikTok, PUBG, everything. Agree or not agree? So the
Yes.
Indian government played the major role on protecting the citizens' private data. It's very, very important. And this measure has taken to prevent the privacy of citizens that has not been breached. So this is generally for citizens. Now, if you see research projects, is that more sensitive than citizens? What do you think, Anjan?
It's more sensitive.
More sensitive. So government is very stable here. Their main objective is not to protect the research. Their main objective is also to protect every citizen of their country's data. You get what I'm saying, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
So further, at present in Ablin, the economy has not yet moved into cloud computing. The major reason for this is generally that such to secure the employment of the people, because at the moment Adlan there are 10,000 full-time employees serving at data centers which are physical. Suppose if the government suppose if they start government fears of technological one, unemployment. So one thing, Anjan, that was missing was voter base. What is that, Anjan? Voter base. Now, if you generally see, voters base is a very important thing. 10,000 votes is important or not important for a government?
Yeah.
10,000. It's very, very, very important, because there can be a situation of a party changing because of the voting conditions also. So 10,000 votes is a very, 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 very sensitive thing as per the knowledge. Okay. Very, very sensitive thing. So just keep that in mind. That is an important thing. Okay, now I think Mr. Najad is there. Mr. Najad.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Najad, now I want to ask a question from you. How
Yes, sir.
did you improve this time, Mr. Najad? Because completely good improvement. Can you just share it to our class? Because even last class you had a problem, right, Mr. Najad? Like we had a
Exactly.
long discussion on reading everything. So how
Yes.
this time you cracked the paper correctly? Can you just share it
I
with
want to be
us?
frank. When I was sitting the mock one, sir, I was like in a mindset like the question in a. I was reading the question in a manner like, okay, the question should be very direct and question should be clearly asked like that. Then later on, you said that question won't be like that. It will be like in a manner even you cannot understand what is exactly they asking. So then I thought, okay, this is a way of asking the question, but what I'm thinking is should be the way I should change my thinking pattern on the questions. So actually, I thought what I'm thinking is correct, and I got the confidence. I want to be frank. The last time when I was writing, I lost the confidence. I thought I didn't understand the question, so I even closed the exam very earlier than the time. But this time it's not like that. I thought, okay, but I'm thinking it's right, so let's write on the same.
So like this, Mr. Najad. Now here you have identified correctly the role of the government as a stakeholder. Agree, no, Najad? Now again, now what has happened here? Most of the students have just written the other way around. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Najad?
Okay.
Now, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
My observation. Just correct me if I'm wrong. Speed reading is risky in this exam. What do you think, Mr. Najad?
Yes, true, sir.
True, no, Mr. Najat. You can't go with speed reading in this paper. No. Even if you take extra 5 minutes for reading, that's a good investment. What do you think, Mr. Najat?
Yes, especially on reference material.
Especially on reference material and the requirement. Correct, no, Mr. Najat? Because
Yes,
if you understand the requirement completely wrong, everything is wrong. Agree or not agree, Mr. Najat?
agree, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So students like Mr. Mahinda, Mr. Zubair, everything, please understand he was same like your initial stages. But the thing is, I generally feel the reading is very, very important here. Anjan, did you get what I'm saying? Reading is important or not important? Because
Sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
one
Anjan,
question.
one small mistake you make, everything is gone.
So one question, please.
Yes, please.
I want to ask that when you read a question, should you start writing these headings, or should you read question and then read the reference material and then start making the? I'm talking about the broad headings, means the question headings, which you made now, the first two.
I will ask from Najat. Najat, how did you do? Najat, Mr. Najat. Okay. So I generally prefer taking out the heading first because the brain will be connected. And this question is fully interrelated. So that is the main objective of doing like this. And I think Cesari, are you there, Cesari?
Yes, sir.
Cesari, what do you think? Is it better to take out the heading or just do it?
Yeah, I think that is the good approach because if you write the heading, you know what you want to looking for in the reference
Exactly.
material, because most of the reference material is not related to the question. I think. Yeah.
Thanks, Cesari. Thanks, Cesari. Vivek, are you there? Vivek?
Yes, sir.
Vivek, what is your suggestion? Better to take out the heading and analyze it or just
Yes,
read and go?
yes, definitely. That's my approach always.
Okay, thanks, Vivek. Thanks, Vivek. So Mr. Zubair, are you there?
Yes, clear now.
It's the best approach, I also feel.
So from the question, we should do the first, the main headings we should
main
do,
heading,
read the
main
reference
heading,
material, and then
and
go for
correct,
the
and fix our mindset, what they want actually, and
Okay.
then go ahead with the question.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So students, be very careful because this heading, what you understand, the requirement and the reference material ultimately decide you pass or fail, the presence of mind. And Miss Kamachi, are you there? Kamachi?
Yeah, I'm here.
Kamachi, good improvement this time. Good presence of mind also. Good presence of mind also. Just asking Kamachi, can you share your experience also because a very good improvement.
Yes, and thank you. This comes from your previous mock 2 discussion we had. So I took all your points, whatever you said, I took all your points. And one thing is here I would like to stress is I would like to write the question because we say we are focused on the question. If we write the question as a heading, we are more focused on the question. But after writing also, I felt I could have written some more direct answers. That's what I felt because of the time constraint and all that. I couldn't think much, but we need to write the question. And this time I think I've done based on what you said last time. So I took everything, whatever you said, and I focused on the question in mark.
Kamachi, just to ask a suggestion, do you feel self-improvement from your side? Just asking from you. Do you see any productivity from your side in the day 3?
Yeah, I see a lot of improvement in my mock 3. But to be honest with you, I thought I would have scored a lot more better than what I've scored. And I think I still need to improve a lot. But definitely, I am in the right direction.
Thank you very much, Kamachi. And actually, like Ms. Kamachi was telling, she should have scored more. Even Vivek or everyone should have scored more, Anjan. I think my marking is little strict, right, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
The main reason I don't give a lot of marks because that overconfidence is very poor for the mentality. What do you think, Anjan? Yes or no? Because it will kill your passing rate in simple language. Thank you, everyone. So now protect the citizens, we took it from here. So that is one major factor, and dividend payment from disposal of hot backup. Now, if you see dividend payment from disposal of hot backup, I generally feel the answers that was written by Cesari, and if you see the answers that was written by Vivek, makes a lot of sense. Even the answer that was written by Mr. Najat. Now, if you see Anjan, your brain should work like this. Your first priority should be unseen material and reference material. Yes or no, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah, yes.
How much ever possible you need to connect it. The second priority should be the pre-seen material, what you already know 6 weeks before the exam.
Yeah.
And the final priority only you should go for the books. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan?
Agreed.
But if you put it in the other way around, high chances of failing. Books, if you put first, very difficult. So the first thing I observed was protect the citizens' private data is one of the major role as the government. And the other one the government will do is investigations. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if we go ahead with this investigation of cloud computing, can the government spy or can they understand the investigation? They do have the rights. Agree or not agree, Anjan? Yes or no?
Agreed.
Because they have passed the bill in the parliament. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Already the bill has been passed, so they have the power to do investigation. And the other one is fines and litigations. Can they go for fines and litigations with these people who are going against the government? Yes or no? And
Yeah.
I think Vivek all has written license cancellations. Can that happen? Yes or no, Anjan? Can they cancel the license? Agree or not agree? Yes or no? License cancellations can take place. And also, Anjan, this point is valuable. Even Najad was speaking related to the hostile takeover. Can there be hostile takeover in this situation? Possible or not possible,
Yeah.
Anjan?
Yeah. Yes.
It's highly possible. No, they can because the rule is passed in the parliament and you are not following it. Then there is high chances they can take hostile takeover just to protect 10,000 employees. Because sometimes government take over another organization there to protect the employees. Agree or not agree, Anjan? Yes or no?
Agree.
Now, Anjan, just telling you, I think if you see companies like Kingfisher and if you see companies like Jet Airways, the good thing Indian government should have done is hostile takeover. What do you think, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Because all those are wonderful companies at the end of the day, if you observe. Because the main mistake they did was they did not take it over. Clear?
Yeah.
So students, these are the fundamental points. But again, I am telling you, stick to the question as much as possible. And coming to the dividend payment from disposal. So whenever you get a financial management issue, always start with the current situation. What is that, Anjan? Current situation. Because I see the answer of Vivek and Cesari, they compared SIPAC also. That is a extreme level of good. And one more thing, Anjan, now if you see they are disposing and paying the money back. So are we losing the strategic vision? Now this was a major problem. Only Cesari has written this. Now, did you observe, Anjan, in the pre-scene material? I'll just show you. In the pre-scene material, this I told you this is very important for the entire class, students. I'm just taking you to the pre-scene material. So, students, in the pre-scene material, please be kind enough to check this page. The pre-scene material. Sorry. We had the corporate vision.
Page number 10.
Page number 10. Anjan, if you don't mind, can you tell me what is our corporate vision?
To contribute to innovation in business.
Contribute innovation in business. So students, I'm sorry that my pre-scene is stuck. So contribute in innovation. Agree, no, Anjan? Yes, son.
Yeah.
Contribute in innovation. So at the moment, just selling this product, are we focusing on our new thing or are we going outside the scope? Contribute in innovation, are we going outside the scope? Just paying out dividend without any type of long-term vision. What do you think? Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And the other thing is, Anjan, when you pay so much big dividends, can there be tax burden for the shareholders? Yes or no, Anjan?
Yeah.
The tax burden also will come, right? And the shareholders also will impact with the tax burden. And the other thing I can generally say is that clientele effect, clientele and signaling effect, can that negatively affect? Yes or no? Clientele and signaling effect, because clientele, they are getting used to higher dividends. Signaling effect is there is no investment from our side. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? And ultimately, this proposal can end up in inefficient management. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Inefficient management. So this is the major issue that we are facing here with our company's financial management. So students, before we go into the development of the full answer, I just wanted to ask you a question. Any point of view you have, you let me know so that we can have a solid discussion.
So can we provide the GDPR in the first question?
GDPR we can give it. I don't mind it. But the thing is, the role of government, GDPR, where do you find that, Mr. Anjan? Was that there in the pre-scene material?
No, it's not in the pre-scene material, but companies are supposed to follow
that. I am coming back to your point, Anjan. That's correct. But at the moment, that will only give little marks. You get what I'm saying? You can use it, but the marks proportion is less. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Anjan? Because here we are going with a parliament bill. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? So students, I think I have taken the page. This is a very important.
One question.
Yes, Mr.
One question. Now the question is 40 marks and 60 marks. You
Correct.
have done equal headings of 5. So will it be okay sometimes when it depends on the question that you
It depends on the
do
question. It
more
will be
headings?
okay sometimes. It will be okay sometimes because again, I'm telling you, this is very much. I'm doing in the point of a student point of view. So even if you see a person like Cesari has done 2 points only, but the evaluations was really really good. So more
Okay.
than the quantity, it's the quality at the end of the day.
Okay. Thank you.
So students, this is a very very important area that we need to generally focus on. And one more thing, Anjan, they are
Yes.
saying innovation, community integrity, flexibility, and responsibility. So that is also mentioned. So just keep in mind we have that. So students, any questions here? Please let me know. I will be able to explain. Mr. Najad, any questions?
So far, no, sir.
No. Amin, any questions?
No questions.
Nixon, any questions you have, Mr. Nixon? Mr. Nagendran, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So I think the questions are very clear here at the moment. Shazni, do you have any questions?
No, sir. But when I was answering, I took it in a different point of view. I thought like they're going to sell the data as available in that hotback storage. So
But I want to ask you a question, Shazni. What about your reading speed? Was that fast reading or slow reading?
yes, fast reading. Yes, that's
Fast reading.
my
Shazni,
yeah.
did you do management case study or this is the first case study you are doing?
No, sir. I did.
You did, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
even in management case study, you have the experience, right? It is like
Yes, sir.
this only. Okay.
Yes.
So one
Thank you.
point, can I add, sir?
Yes, please, Ms. Najan.
I would like to say, like, our revenue is limited to the number of building that we have. Unless we increase the number of building, we cannot increase our revenue. So, rather than pay out the dividend, we can't invest on premises. We can't include somewhere. So, investment.
100%, because that is the point I am thinking. Because you are correct, Mr. Najat. Because just paying dividend is not going to give long-term value. Correct, Mr. Najat? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
it will directly affect the company because we need to grow. Because our competitors are growing faster than us in this pre-scene.
Yes.
So that's a good point. Okay. So students, now coming into the factor. So I'll write down here.
So one point I was thinking is that when we are talking of French cloud, we are just moving the data, transporting the data to French cloud. We are no way selling the data. So the parliament that is passing the bill, it has to do with the selling of data. So can we have a point on that we need to clear to the government?
Passing an act of not selling data of local citizens to foreign nations. But the issue is, Mr. Anjan, coming back to the point, selling or transferring, ultimately data privacy is affected, right? Even if you give it at a transferring amount, or if you are giving without a price, still the citizens, their major objective is to privacy of the citizens is not breached. So in both the cases, Anjan, citizen is affected. What do you think, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah,
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Because that is the major point here, because that's a good way of thinking. I need to appreciate it. But again, if you reconsider, I generally feel, Mr. Anjan, there is a breach there. Even the private data going out, especially in the science industry. Fine. So I'll continue here. Veranda. Be very careful with this name, students. Veranda, being a developed nation.
So it's not Veranda, sir.
Sorry, Advent, sorry.
Advent.
Management case studies. Advent being a developed country. Agree, yes or no, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
developed country, the government is acting with high professional due care towards the citizen. Agree or not agree? Professional due care towards the citizen. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Mr.
Yes.
Anjan, just asking you, this is a real practical issue. I think you are aware about the Aadhaar card issue. Yes or no, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
Aadhaar card privacy was leaked, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
So
It was there.
here, if you see Adlan being a developed country, the government is acting with high professional due care towards their citizens. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Therefore, this will be appreciated by the majority. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? By the majority. Now, if you see, for some students, I have written a point, implication to KCTP, implication to KCTP. Now, the role we have mentioned. Now, our company is KCTP, no? Yes or no, Mr. Anjan? Agree or not agree?
Yeah.
So, can we now imply it to the KCTP situation? Yes or no, Mr. Anjan? Agree or not agree? KCTP being listed in Adlan, which is the country of domicile. Country of what? Country of domicile. In other words, domestic country. I just made it little technically. Country of domicile. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, I feel the cloud option may not be viable because it is against the majority. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Further, our tenants are generally having high sensitive research and development, which is more sensitive than private data. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Agree or not agree? Agree. So we can add our lawyer. Who is our lawyer, Mr. Anjan?
Mr. Rick Adamson.
Rick Adamson. So Rick Adamson needs to verify the Gazette notification passed in the parliament. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Make sense or doesn't make sense? Makes sense, but I am generally saying if something happens like this, it's not good to go against the government. What do you think, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
Sir, one more thing.
Yes, please.
We can mention the recent real-time examples, right?
Sure. Example,
Because
can you say one real-time example? So
there so much of applications are banned because of it is saved in China. Like US was claiming about TikTok's applications that data are saving outside of US boundaries.
Wonderful. Thanks a lot, Mr. Najad. I'll write that. Example, TikTok being banned in United States of America. Because I generally feel, Mr. Najad, this can be a practical exam question. What do you think, Mr. Najad? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because it's current issues, right? That's taking place in United States at the moment.
Not only USA, in India also it's a big issue at the
in
moment.
India also it's a big issue. And I think, Mr. Najad, even in Saudi Arabia also there was an issue with the data, Amazon and the royal family. So that's a big issue at the moment. So this is how you need to mention, Mr. Najad. We can't just dump in example. We should relate it. You get the point, no, Mr. Najad?
Yes.
Not dumping, relating it.
Okay.
Thank you. So investigation on cloud computing. So can we continue, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will come. Rick Adamson may claim, I'll come to your point. Thanks for saying that, Mr. Anjan. May claim that we are not selling data. we are only what? We are only what? Transferring the data so that in case of emergency, in case of what? Emergency, such as a fire, we can recover the data. You get what I'm saying? Can they counter attack like that? Yes or no, Mr. Anjan? Agree or not agree? So I can continue. In this point of view, the government may play the role for investigation of the arrangement between French cloud and KCTP. Agree or not agree? Yes or no, Mr. Anjan? Further, they may also interfere in other informations such as confidentiality clause. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Further, I'll write down here, this will be published in media. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Which may result in a negative publicity. Agree or not agree? Which may result in a negative publicity or a reduction in the share price. Agree or not agree? Because there is a situation now that all the people should not follow the cloud. You get what I'm saying? Especially in the foreign countries. Now, is that clear?
Yeah.
So
one point I was thinking here, sir,
yes.
it is mentioned that this hot backup is taken by few of the tenants. All of them are not taking, and for this KCTP is charging a fee. So those tenants who are not taking the hot backup, probably they are not taking the cloud format also. So, but when the government is passing a law regarding the transfer, regarding the selling of data to foreign clients, maybe the tenants who haven't taken the hot backup, they might sell the data to the foreign clients. In that case, KCTP will be legally involved because their premises are coming into the function. So
I can agree with that, but at the moment, is that specific to our audience? Sanjay. Point was right. So I come to the next one, fines and litigation. The government may impose fines for breaching the law and further the government may also get involved in any litigations if the company are not following the standard rules. So that is the government role. So I will go for the KCTP. KCTP at the moment has less legal obligations and has maintained a good reputation in the past. However, if we proceed, although we are aware about this rule, then we may have to incur lots of legal burden. Agree or not agree, Mr.
Yeah,
Anjan?
agree,
Yes, sir.
agree.
So students, I am writing the role and how that role will affect KCTP. Role affect KCTP. License cancellation. At present, only 27 players are present. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Therefore, if we are against the government standard, there is a possibility that we may get suspended. Yes or no, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
We may get suspended, or our license may get seized. Agree or not agree? Yes or no, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
A license may get seized. Our license may get seized. Therefore, we may end up having liquidation problem. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Because current income is very, very important. Liquidation problems, and we may also need to return. The advance payment to our tenants. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that is also one major factor here. We already committed with the contract. Bill immediately in effect. Anything that we did before the bill effective data, can it go ahead? No, I can't say no, because Anjan, that was a good question. Suppose we have already done the paperwork and now a new rule come. Can that continue, or it needs to be discontinued? What do you think, Mr. Anjan? That question.
Yeah.
Continue or discontinue?
Since the government has taken this position, we have to discontinue it. Because we can't
Discontinue, right? Practically speaking, I think that's 100% correct. So I can say, at present, the government fears that 10,000 employees may get redundant. Agree or not agree?
Yeah.
Redundant if they have to introduce this technology. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Agree? Therefore, we fear that the government may take over the organization. The government may take over KCTP in order to provide job safety. In order to provide what? Job safety. So that the voters base will be secured. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So students, before coming into the dividend points, any questions you have, please let me know.
So what is the last line, sir? Like
this one.
Yeah, voters base.
Voters base means 10,000 voter. They have voters.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying. If they lose the job, their vote base will reduce. No, Najat, you understand the point what I'm saying there, right? Now, if you see universities in Sri Lanka, what they generally do is they go ahead with whatever the strike they are doing. Why? They need their votes. Agree or not agree, Najat? Yes or no?
True.
So that is just a government illegal work just to get their votes so that they can be in power for some time. Clear now, Mr. Nanjan?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Anjan, that is very much clear now. Government will do anything to secure their voters. Voters base is very important for the government now. Yes or no, Mr. Anjan?
Yes, very true.
So dividend from the hot backup. Before we go into that, any students like Mosna Zubair, any questions? Please don't feel hesitate. Just any questions, let me know. Mahinda, any questions? You can ask me, Mr. Mahinda.
Sir, again, one example is there, right? Real time we can put.
What example? You tell me, Mr.
Maybe I'm repeating the same. Sorry.
No problem.
This US government is pressurized to take TikTok by Oracle because of the same reason.
Correct. They were able to hostile takeover, right?
Yeah, because simply is a hostile takeover. One of US company has to take so Microsoft and Oracle bid it, and Oracle won the bid.
So I'll write down here. So I can say Oracle acquired TikTok just to secure the data. Agree? No.
Yes, sir.
100% agree. So I think that gives a better picture here. So Sneha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sneha, part A you did not do. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir, but then I'm not understanding like how to make these points. That is my problem.
The main thing is you need to do, and you need, if you are ignoring the question, you can't make this point. You need to write something that clicks into your mind. You get what I'm saying, Sneha?
Yeah, that's what
It's
I went
not
blank.
about getting right or wrong. It's you need to try, or else it won't work out. Even wrong answer, no problem. You should try, and then you should reverse engineer your mind. You get what I'm saying, Sneha?
Yes.
Because I think previous examinations, what you have done are straightforward papers. Correct, no, Sneha? Now, if you see, these papers are very, very practical papers. So reverse engineering is important. So no worries, but don't give up. Okay, Sneha, be very strong.
Yeah.
Tanya, are you there? Tanya? Okay. Okay. So Anjan, can we come into the next part? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A dividend
Yes, sir.
payment from disposal of hot backup. So currently, so I'll write down that I think majority has written that currently we have paid a 50% dividend from the existing return, from the existing earnings. Agree or not agree, Mr.
Yeah, yeah.
However, the competitor SciPark has paid only how many percent? 2%, right? Only 2%.
4%.
4%. Only 4%. Only 4%. Therefore, we need to understand that we are not focusing on developments. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Focusing on developments, because I'll put the point which Mr. Najar told, because the revenue may increase only if we increase the building capacity. Agree or not agree? Yes or no, Anjan?
Yeah,
Makes sense
yeah,
or doesn't make sense? Building capacity. Full stop. Further, the competitors are growing faster with new technologies. I think that was written by Mr. Najad also. Can you tell me some technologies, Mr. Anjan?
Yes, sir. 3D printers, quantum computers, simulation techniques.
Then
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. Full stop. Fine with that, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yes.
Losing strategic vision, because that is also one of the major problem. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
at present, we are not aligned to the core values of our company. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because selling the hot backup to pay dividends is a very poor financial management decision. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
It makes 100% sense here. Poor financial management decision. Therefore, we need to understand that we should have an independent committees to have these decisions. Do we have a treasury function, Mr. Anjan?
No.
The main reason is we are lacking a treasury function. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because a treasury function is a very, very important thing. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Makes sense or it doesn't make sense?
Yes.
Tax burden. So I can say the excess dividend may increase the tax burden for the shareholders. What do you think, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Where they will not be liking to get cash dividends. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
And they may opt to, I can say, a bonus issue. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Because
Bonus.
already 50%
A
they
script dividend.
bonus issue or a script dividend. That will be better. A script dividend, just in a piece of paper. In the future, you may get a dividend. Correct, no, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So that is the alternative things that we can put it here. And then I will just connect the signaling and the clientele effect. So I can say the current 50% dividend and if we further pay another dividend, it may increase the clientele effect, assuming the company will generally pay high dividends. Yes or no, Mr. Anjan? However, in rental properties, the beta factor is less. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Which is almost 0.8, right?
9.
0.9. Beta factor is less. So the management may face high challenges to meet the requirement of the shareholders. Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Further, some financial analysts may prepare reports stating KCTP does not have any future investment decisions. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Makes sense or doesn't make sense?
Yeah.
Makes a lot of sense, right? And inefficient management. So I'll come to that. So I can say the yes.
One thing I was thinking, if you see the shareholder base of KCTP, where we have the share prices of the last 5 years, the
Same.
share price is on an average it's $14. It
Correct.
has gone up to maximum 15 and it has come down to 10 at one point of time. So these shareholders are more or less of KCTP are highly dependent on the dividend payouts rather than capital profits, increase in share prices. So they will take this as a better option.
No, you are correct, Anjan. Because even if you see, since they are dependent on dividend payments only, no, Anjan, the beta factor is also at 0.9. You get what I'm saying? If they are in the capital repayment, beta factor will be more than 1, right? Yes or no, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
Now, if you generally observe the last case study, runabout, what happened was the beta was more than 1, very high. And did you see the prices going up and down? Yes or no?
Yeah,
so those type of shareholders were generally not bothered about what the dividend. They were attracted on the capital decision. But my only concern is, Mr. Anjan, here the dividends are extreme. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
50-50 dividend is like monopoly. If you're monopoly and giving dividends like this, we can agree with that. Agree or not agree?
Yeah.
Now there are almost 27 players in the market and still you are going with this type of dividend. I still say we need to think about it. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the point. So can I just write down here? The shareholders, I'll mention your point here. The shareholders in this segment are generally expecting dividend. Agree, no, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because the share prices are stagnant. The only way to increase the share price, the only way to increase the share price is increase the building. Yes or no, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
Agree or not agree, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no? Therefore, when the dividends are paid at a higher rate, in future, we may not have money to pay dividends. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? This is not tested in the exam. I'll ask you, does anyone know Rashad model? Anyone know Rashad model? Vivek, did you study Rashad model?
Dividend policy.
In dividend policy, did you study Rashad model?
Yes, I have some overall idea on that.
I will explain that, students. It's relevant, but no need to brain dump in the exam. It's there in the F3 syllabus, students. So just a minute, I will just show you